Hello, third graders. So earlier this week we learned about our multiplying and dividing by 8. So for today and tomorrow we're going to work on our multiplying and dividing by 9. But first, let's quick review our skip counting by 8. So I'm going to take my hands out. We're not going to look at our sheets of paper, and we're going to practice skip counting by 8s forward and backwards. All right, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, and back, 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8. All right, now we're going to practice first by skip counting our 9s. So remember, when we're skip counting our 9s, the first one is going to be 9, and then we go up by 9. So remember, you can count up by 9 like this: 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we know next would be 18. Or you can take the 18 and you can write on your paper plus 9. So 8 plus 9 is 17. So my 1 goes here. My 7 here, 1, 2, 27. So that's how, I'm sorry, I wrote 24, and I do not have an eraser, so I'm just going to write a 7 over it. All right, so that's 2 ways you can do it. You can use your fingers as you skip count, or you can write it out. But 27 plus 9 is going to be 36. 36 plus 9 is going to be 45. 45 plus 9 is going to be 54. 54 plus 9 is going to be 63. 63 plus 9 is 72. 81, 90. So I want you to look in our ones place. We start at 9 and we go down by 1. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And then in our tens place, we go up by 1. This would be a 0 if you wrote it out. There's a 0 in our tens place. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they both kind of reverse. So as we count up, our tens place goes up by 1 and our ones place goes down by 1. That's kind of a neat trick about multiplying by 9. And sometimes what you can do, if I had my hands out and I said, I want to multiply 9 times 4. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything on the left of your hand is going to be your tens place. So I have 3 that would be my tens place. And then everything on the right of what fingers put down is going to be your ones place. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would go in my ones place. So 9 times 4 would give me 36. And we can check our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's correct. So that's just a fun way that you can only do that when you multiply by 9s. It's just a fun trick for practicing and checking your answer when multiplying by 9s. But now let's take this away. Let's practice skip counting by our 9s without looking. Here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. So now let's practice our multiplication. Remember, when we're multiplying by 9, our first number is going to be what we're skip counting by. So it'll be 9. And then the second number is going to be how many fingers we skip count to. And then we're going to get our total. So that's the complete total. That's what we're solving for. So here I have 9 times 2, which means I'm going to skip count by my 9s to my second finger. So I'm going to go 9, 18 to my second finger. By skip counting, I got to 18. I can check my answers by going 1, 2, I got to 18. Or you can check your answers by going like this. I'm going to go 1, 2, put that finger down. I have my 1 in my tens place, and then everything on the right is 8 fingers. That would go in my ones place. All right, so let's go down to another one. 9 times 1, I'm skip counting by my 9s to my first finger. 9. So our answer would be 9. And remember, we can check with our skip counting. 1, right? So make sure to write out your skip counting to help you with your problems. All right, here we have 9 is what we're skip counting by, times 6. That's how many fingers we're going to skip count by 9 to. So let's take our hands out and skip count to our 6th finger, which is this thumb, by 9s. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. So my answer would be 54. And remember to check your answer on your skip counting. And this is going to be our last one, 9 times 10. So I'm skip counting by my 9s to my 10th finger. Here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. So that was to our 10th finger. We got to 90. So make sure when you are doing your homework on IXL, practicing your skip counting, you have your skip counting right now and you just use it to check your answers. Practice skip counting with your fingers to help. All right, and if you feel up to it, you can practice by saying 9 times 6. I'm putting down my 6th finger, and this is my 10s place, this is my 1s place. But that's just for fun. All right, have a great rest of your day, and make sure to bring a piece of paper and a pencil so you can write out your answers on IXL. All right, thank you. Bye.